Hey team, this video is for any teacher that's ever wanted to create some sort of an award or certificate, but just hasn't had the time. So if you go to canva.com, and I'm going to search for a certificate of completion. I'm just going to choose a random one for today. This one looks good. I'm able to customize that particular template. And you would obviously fill out all the specific details around what you wanted. But what I wanted to show you today is how to fill in the children's name automatically. So if you type in a little squiggly paragraph there, put name and ends with the squiggly paragraph. Obviously, you would change the principals and teachers' names and things like that. But for today's tutorial, it's all about the kids' names. Okay, once you've done that, you go along to the side, you click on apps, and you search for bulk. Once you do that, you click the bulk app there, and we want to enter the data manually. So here are some examples of names. I've got some random names that I've just generated. I'm going to copy those. Copy. And go back here and paste them. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, click done. Make sure that the name is ticked over there, click continue. And then here are all my names. And then I can generate the 20-page doc with all the different names on it. So there's Amelia Rose, Benjamin Smith, and so on and so forth. So there are your certificates in under a minute. Hopefully that helps. Thanks, team.